Another day in Lowrider Comeback, and if y'all are wondering why I am driving this instead of my red truck, because I gotta go pick it up today. Just got new rims put on it and new paint. I just got it painted red, and we're gonna go pick it up. It's a rental car that they let me borrow while my truck's getting done, but we are leaving tonight to go to the beach, this evening to go to the beach. But, so, gonna drop my car off here. And I'll just catch y'all back when we get the truck from over there. So we'll just get the truck back. I'm gonna pull up at the house and get everything. Then take it to the beach, load it up, and I'll stay in there Friday and Saturday and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna load everything up. We're gonna get on the way to the beach, so I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, we got everything loaded up, and I ain't showed y'all the truck yet, so here it is. It's the black one. Just got these new Liberty Forged on here. New paint. Put a cherry sticker on there because it's cherry, I guess. But I'm gonna turn all the lights on it. But yeah, so we're gonna be on the way to the beach. So let's get on the way. Don't want to curb my wheels. Did anyways. I will. I ain't gonna. This thing's still got a turbo in it, so it's fast. We're gonna do a little something right here. Alright, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we go ahead and get to the beach because it's a long drive and stuff, so I'm just gonna catch y'all when we get to the beach. So we're pulling up here now at the beach. You didn't see that. We're gonna slide over here to our condo room, the jig thing, if you wanna call it. We got a house here anyways. I rented a house, so. The sucky thing about it, it's not on the beach, but we ain't always gotta be luxury. Alright, so here we are. Right here. This is the little house we rented. It's pretty nice. But I'm gonna get everything unloaded and get all my stuff unloaded, and we're gonna go grab some supper lunch. And yeah. So we're gonna go grab some lunch. Tomorrow, we're just gonna go down to the beach for the whole day with a couple of buddies of mine, and then Saturday we got the truck meet, and then we'll be leaving Saturday night. But yeah, so we're gonna slide up over here. We're gonna eat this place over here. A couple of my buddies will be rolling it tomorrow and stuff, but I'm really the only dude here right now. But yeah, so we're gonna just run over the curb. That's how you gotta do it. So well done. Alright, so I'll just catch y'all when we done eating here. So we heading back to the crib now. We're gonna go to sleep because we're waking up. We're gonna be at the beach all day tomorrow. It's already 7:30 right now. But yeah, we're gonna slide over to the house, and yeah, so I'll just pick the camera back up when we get to the house. So we're here now. I'm finna walk inside, take a shower and stuff, and then we're finna go to sleep, wake up early in the morning, and go to the beach. So I'll just catch y'all in a little. I'll just pick the camera up in the morning, I guess. Good morning, everybody. So it's morning time now, and we're finna go to the beach. Down to the beach, anyways. My buddies will be showing up there later. I'm just going because I'm trying to get some coffee before I go down on the beach. stuff, so guess I'm gonna head to the beach. One of my friends is staying in that yellow building. I don't know where he's at right now, but anyways. Oh, I forgot. I should have brought my fishing pole. Anyways, but fishing a park here in the parking lot. Gonna run in here and grab some hot house coffee, and then we're gonna go on the beach, probably play some volleyball, do a little other couple things, play some football or something. And yeah, so I will just catch y'all, I guess, later this afternoon when I get a chance to pick up the camera. So it's evening time here. It does look like morning time, but it's evening time. Fisting to head to go get some supper and stuff here at the whatchamacallit, up here at the Ocean View Pier. This thing sounds good. Alright, so we're gonna slide over here, and we're probably gonna play on the Ferris wheel and all, like do all the shopping centers over here. About to walk in that beach police place. But we're probably finna eat at this cruise bar over here, and stuff like that. So I'll just catch y'all when we done here and messing around. So it's about 9:20 right now here at the beach. Back in hometown it's about 8:30, about 8 o'clock back at hometown. It's an hour behind here, hour ahead here anyways. So we're sliding back to the place because we gotta take a shower. We gotta wake up early in the morning to go to the truck meet. I won't be filming the truck meet because last time I filmed, I got in trouble by the people there, and I'm not trying to get a ticket again because that was like a $300 ticket for freaking filming, which is stupid and insane. But also I'm not trying to get a ticket, so yeah. So I'll just pick the camera back up in the morning, and yeah. What's up, everybody? It's about 7:30 right now. It's about 7:50 actually. I didn't look at the thing. I was just guessing pretty much. I knew it was 7 something, but I didn't know exactly. But right now we're not heading to the truck meet. The truck meet isn't till 10:30. It lasts till 12:30 and stuff. It's a 2-hour truck meet. You can stay as long as you want to, but right now I'm gonna go down to the pier, and I went and picked me up a fishing pole this morning off camera, and I'm gonna fish for a while, stuff like that, until the truck meet is happening. But yeah, so I just picked the camera up after I'm done fishing, and we're gonna head to the truck meet. So we head to the truck meet now. That's what it was last year, but too much crap goes down there. So we're gonna go to the truck meet now. It's about 30-minute drive from here, which sucks, but yeah. So we're gonna slide to the truck meet spot and just mess around, do some stuff. So I'll just pick the camera up and we're gonna slide over there and be there. So yeah. So we're fixing to be pulling up in a second here. But yeah, so we finna pull up. It's inside of that gate and everything over there at the driving school. We rented the place out and stuff. So I'll just catch y'all after the truck meet. So yeah. So it's 1:20. I'm leaving the truck meet. Everybody else done left. Popping Clutches is still there. Marshall Evans is still there. But we leaving now. We gotta go pack up because I gotta be back home because I got work tomorrow. A bunch of other things I gotta do. So yeah. So we're gonna slide back to this crib, get everything packed up, which everything's packed up. I just gotta throw it in the truck. But I didn't want to throw it in the truck this morning because I opened my doors and my hood and all that. See if I'd win an award. I won one award. It was best rims. But nothing else. And then I think I don't know what I'm. Yeah, I got best interior too. So best interior, best rims. So that's gonna go on the wall when we get home. But yeah, so we finna pack everything up and we finna slide back to the house. So yeah, so we finna slide back to the house. I'm gonna cut the video here in a second and probably pick y'all up when we get back when we're almost to the house. But yeah, so we're finna slide, get on the interstate now, stuff like that. So I'll just pick the camera back up when we almost to the house. So we back from the beach now. We gotta go grab some gas and grab something for dinner. But yeah, then we'll probably close the video off tomorrow. But cause I'm just gonna film a little bit more and stuff like that. But we're gonna slide to the gas station and get some gas, and then yeah. So y'all didn't see that about 5 seconds ago. There's definitely not a pole laying there. So we're finna get some gas, and then we're gonna go over there to Sonic's, grab some fast food, and then eat it at the house, and then we're gonna close the video off tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm finna fill up, go over there, grab some food, and I'll just hit y'all up when we're back at the house. Can I get a 10-piece chicken nugget meal and a large fry with Coke to drink? Thank you. So we rolling up at the house now. I'm gonna go in here and eat my food, and then we're gonna close the video off tomorrow. But yeah, so I'll just hit y'all up in the morning. So what's up, everybody? We're gonna close the video off here. If y'all like the truck, if y'all like it black or red with the other rims, or these rims better, let me know down in the comment section down below. But yeah, so if y'all like today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment on a video if you have time, and we'll probably catch y'all on Wednesday. So see y'all later.